Oh my goodness, family and friends. This is your boy, Dr. Kuhyugu, from the Lion TV. Oh my goodness. From the camp of the Lion Group of Company, we wish you a very fantastic, hygienic, semiastic, and influencer pleasing Merry Christmas and a promoting and postmoting and a postponing and a promoting New Year. Oh my goodness. I love you, my fans. You also, you love me. 2020, me come to the Lion TV bien. Don't spoil your eyes. Watch different channel. The Lion TV, Dr. Kuhyugu comedy. Oh my goodness, I love that, man. I feel the taste of the Lion TV. Oh, I feel the taste. I mean, can't blah. A nipa and what you money, eh? Mr. Enunti and a comment, a wohono. Okwa, Papo, Bonio, Shremayan, you be soon. Niamum, why, Niachro dientia a year, papa. Niachro dientia a year, bonnie. I'm a own susu niachi. Na dear a year ni jena yes from Kokran say 2020 a year would have mean. Oh my goodness. A dear Biala Wahra when San can cause Lion TV when Sabeka. Na dear chance of young Mama Kran say the new channel be about home. I have friend Dr. Kuhyugu GH TV.